I recently went skiing. It's the first time I've been skiing in 20 years, 25 years actually, and I learned a lot about skiing. But more importantly, I learned a lot about building a business on Amazon. If you'd like to find out what I've learned, check out this video. I got back from skiing in Switzerland. Tough life for me. On Friday, late on Friday. That was very, very interesting. I haven't skied for a long, long time. I spent a lot of time sitting on my arse in the snow, getting a wet arse. It was actually pretty interesting. I hired a ski instructor because that's the best way to learn, is to hire somebody who's trodden that path or gone through that snow in that situation. So I hired a ski instructor to help me. I still, of course, spent an inordinate amount of time sitting on my arse, wondering how the hell I ended up there. But I feel like that's inevitable when you're learning something new or relearning it. For me, it's 25 years since I skied. So yeah, it was a really good experience. Actually, one day, on the fourth day, we were supposed to go skiing, but that night it had gotten down to minus 15, 16, something like that. So it was freaking freezing. And as a consequence of that, a lot of the snow had turned to ice. So it was pretty dangerous, apparently, out there. And I thought to myself, oh gosh, should I go? Should I not go? I didn't know if I should get out on the slope still. And in the end, I thought, you know what? Fuck it. I'm just going to go out and see what it's like out there. And I ended up having one of my best days ever because lots of people had clearly thought the same thing and decided not to go out onto the slopes. And so the slopes ended up being pretty dead, pretty empty. And so if you've ever been skiing, you'll know that one of the most frustrating things is waiting to get onto the ski lift so you can get back up the slope so you can ski back down. So it meant that I got in a lot more skiing because there was not many people actually on the slope, which was kind of cool. So yeah, I felt like there was a lot of kind of personal development lessons in that for me. Anytime you're learning something new, like I am just about to go and do, that's my Portuguese exam, to go and get my Portuguese passport. Anytime you're learning something new, like building an Amazon business, building an e-commerce business, I feel like the same lessons get repeated over and over again. Find somebody who can help you. Just because they are helping you doesn't mean that you won't fall on your arse. But when you do fall on your arse, you've got somebody there that can help you get back up and workshop why that didn't work and things like that. And in the long run, you'll get there a lot faster than you want to go. Same with my Portuguese. I've got a Portuguese teacher, and she's awesome. Carla's her name. And I still sound like a friggin' idiot. And it's still embarrassing, But if you want to get better, at something, you've got to practice. You've got to fall over, and you've got to get back up, and you've got to practice. And that's the same with these Amazon businesses, isn't it? So yeah, it was pretty kind of insightful into that, to kind of go through that. And I love the process of being a learner again, because it reminds me what people who are studying to do e-commerce go through as well. So yeah, pretty cool. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of professional e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia. 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of online entrepreneurs here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we're doing, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Link for that is in the description. Till next time, bye.